Hey, gearheads! Welcome back to Autoverse Authority, your ultimate pit stop for the best automotive products out there. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best run flat tires that's turning heads and boosting performance. After hours of research and testing, I've handpicked the top choices for every kind of buyer, whether you're chasing value, performance, or a unique feature. Links to these products with the latest deals are waiting for you in the description below. Smash that like button, drop a comment, and hit subscribe to fuel your passion for all things auto. Let's rev it up and get started. In our list, the number 1 product name is Pirelli Cinturato P7 Run Flat Passenger Tire. Pirelli Cinturato P7 passenger tire is made for those who value smooth performance and comfort across different seasons. Designed with attention to quality, this tire blends road handling with efficiency, making it suitable for medium to high-power vehicles. The tread pattern aims to help reduce internal sound while offering solid grip on dry and wet surfaces. Its thoughtful structure works toward even pressure distribution, which can enhance comfort while driving. With a section width of 275 mm and a tread depth of 9 inches, this tire delivers road stability even in difficult conditions. The deep grooves help move water away from the contact area, reducing the chance of hydroplaning. The 4-ply build supports strength, while the 9.5-inch rim width contributes to balance during cornering. The tire's maximum pressure is rated at 51 pounds per square inch, and its load capacity stands at 1,709 pounds. This model includes run-flat capability, offering the ability to keep driving short distances under pressure loss. Built with technology developed over decades, the Pirelli Cinturato P7 is designed with performance and environmental awareness in mind. The compact tread blocks and external support areas help the tire resist changes in shape during faster turns, which can lead to a more confident feel on the road. Pirelli's long history in the tire industry supports this product's reputation. For drivers looking for reliable movement, quiet operation, and controlled response, this tire stands as a solid choice. In our list, the number 2 product name is Continental CONTIPROCONTACT SSR Tire. Continental CONTIPROCONTACT SSR Tire offers a combination of balance and function for daily road use in various seasons. This all-season option fits different vehicles, including passenger cars and crossovers. Built to offer consistent movement through wet, dry, and lightly snowy surfaces, the design supports steady control with every mile. The tread pattern is crafted to help reduce sound from the road, giving a quieter and more relaxed ride during long drives or city commutes. With a section width of 245 mm and a tread depth of 12-30 seconds, the structure aims to provide improved surface contact. It supports a load of up to 1,764 pounds, and the maximum pressure is set at 51 pounds per square inch. The rim width stands at 8 inches, which is typical for the type of vehicle it suits. Its 10-ply rating supports strong durability while still allowing for smooth turns and reliable braking. Designed as an original equipment choice, this tire meets factory-level fit and function expectations. It includes features focused on safety and quietness, such as self-sealing capabilities and noise-reducing technologies. Whether navigating wet pavement or dry highways, it helps offer dependable support. Continental's experience in tire development backs this model with an aim to offer a longer usable life and year-round traction. The mileage support of up to 80,000 miles indicates long-term potential for drivers seeking durability and stable comfort throughout the seasons. In our list, the number 3 product name is Goodyear Eagle F1 Asymetric as Run Flat V Tire. Goodyear Eagle F1 Asymetric all-season run flat V tire in the size 245 by 40 by 20 delivers a balance of durability and handling. This tire is shaped for passenger cars and offers a tread pattern that promotes road connection and grip. Designed for year-round use, it helps maintain movement through changing surfaces including dry, wet, or lightly snowy conditions. The tread type is asymmetrical, supporting traction and cornering with equal focus. With a section width of 245 mm and rim width of 8.5 inches, the structure supports a stable base. The load capacity reaches 1,564 pounds, while the maximum tread depth measures 30 to 30 seconds. Built with a 4-ply rating, it delivers a combination of support and adaptability during routine drives or highway travel. Goodyear, known for its tire development across decades, continues its legacy with this model. The brand history includes several firsts in the automotive space, and its production in the United States adds to the appeal for many vehicle owners. The tire has a speed rating of V, allowing for confident driving at rated limits under certain conditions. Whether used for daily trips or longer routes, this tire design is aligned with Goodyear's long-standing approach to safety and reliability. With the added support of run-flat technology, it can provide mobility for short distances after sudden air loss, giving drivers extra time to reach safe assistance when needed. In our list, the number 4 product name is Bridgestone Driveguard All-Season Run Flat Tire. Bridgestone Driveguard All-Season Touring Run Flat Tire in the size 215 by 60 by 16 offers a reliable driving experience for many types of weather. This tire is designed with an asymmetrical tread pattern that helps maintain control across varied surfaces. It fits vehicles that may not come with run-flat tires as standard, making it a suitable option for drivers looking to upgrade without changing their car setup. The section width of 215 mm along with a load capacity of 9 pounds supports balance and control. It is created to meet the needs of those who want consistent performance through wet and dry road conditions. The overall diameter measures 16.63 inches, helping the tire provide dependable contact with the road. Bridgestone, a trusted tire maker, has introduced this model for people who prefer an alternative to original run-flat equipment. The tread depth measures 1/32, offering a slim profile for light contact with the pavement. While lightweight in design, the structure is engineered for stability and safety. This tire is part of a touring line that helps with longer driving comfort while reducing the stress of sudden air loss. With the ability to continue for a limited distance after pressure drops, it gives the driver time to reach a service area. The dimensions measure 25 by 25 by 8 inches, fitting select passenger vehicles comfortably. Bridgestone continues to focus on providing thoughtful solutions for today's drivers through products like this one. In our list, the number 5 product name is Michelin Crossclimate 2 All-Season Tire. Michelin Crossclimate 2 All-Season Tire in size 235 by 55 by 19 is made to handle different climates across the year. With a load capacity of 2,039 pounds and a directional tread pattern, it offers balance and control for drivers who need steady performance. The tread depth measures 10/30 seconds and the ply rating is 2-ply. The rim width fits 8.5 inches and the total diameter is 29.1. Michelin has built this tire for a range of conditions. Whether the roads are dry, wet, or lightly covered in snow, it performs consistently. Tests showed that even when worn, it stopped quicker than several similar tires under the same conditions. This model also showed longer tread use than others in its group. During internal testing, it stopped within shorter distances on both dry and wet pavement compared to other top competitors. In evaluations of snow handling, it also kept traction better, especially when the tread had worn down. Performance remained dependable over time. Based on collected mileage tests with Chevrolet and Toyota vehicles, Michelin tires lasted longer compared to others measured in the same class. This tire was developed for drivers wanting one solution for multiple seasons. It provides year-round dependability without switching to separate winter or summer options. Vehicle owners looking for a consistent and tested product may choose this for both short trips and long commutes. Michelin continues to be known for engineering that meets everyday needs. Thanks for watching our full videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and check link the description below. Goodbye and take care. See you in the new video.